see if the jack would fit under the car without me driving on a piece of wood. You can see my stock, they're not the most perfect condition. I mean, the car was used when I got it. This car is from Connecticut, bro. Also got three, oh, that first swipe went crazy, bro. Ain't no turning back now. As you can see, it's starting to scratch up. We want to get all these little small specks out the bumper. Rock chips. About to go over it with 120. Should help smooth it out a little bit. It's like my third layer of Bondo, just trying to get all the little dents out of the bumper itself. Shit, man. I took the HFP kit off the car. The first coat of primer is done. I think I'm gonna put like 3 coats. 3 coats should be good. Good, yeah. This is the first look of the car with the front bumper on after I primed it. Look pretty f***ing good to me, bro. Damn, always pissing them off. Gotta fill up on some E, you know we love that. I just got this for the steering wheel real quick. Nothing special. Pretty sure this is like hydro dipped carbon. Not even real, so got for like 20 bucks. I mean, it just looks a lot better than this, bro. Like, bro, come on. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. We already got fake carbon in this bitch. Got the white ones too. Yes, sir.
Which will be available on the website soon.
Man, you trying to copy all my videos, bro? What you trying to do, bro?
What? Nah, bro. I'm just trying to help a brother out, bro. That's it.
So why you blasting Lil Wayne, bro?
Oh no, nah, hey, you can't even hear that, bro. You just hear the jamming. That's it, bro.
What y'all think, man? Leave it down in the comments. You know if I should switch it up now. Got all the parts in here, in the back too. Everything's here, man. So let's do this, bro. There it is. All right, yeah. This all gonna be in black and white too. Okay, like. No, but like a quarter of the way done, still in black and white. You guys can't see the color, so all I'm gonna tell you guys is the color goes really well with the windshield. That's all I'm gonna say. Oh my god, bro.
Everything.
What's good, bro?
What's good with you, bro? What it looking like, bro? Hold on.
Oh shit.
What's it looking like over there, boy? Ooh. Ooh.
Bro, you got it in the sunlight. It's gonna look completely different, bro. stupid in the sun. Oh my god, stupid. Your ugly ass in the back. Go, face ass. Like all on lines and shit like.
Damn. Hey, but lick your fingers when you done doing shit like that.
Ate up, nigga.
Mine's expired. 2 days.
You didn't order the drink? I made another drink.
Wait, yeah, this
Ass, bro.
Ooh, that's nice.
Oh, I'm about to throw. Nut. That's not the nut button. Slap it.
Hey yo, what the?
What you say, bro? You still eating well prepared. Not gonna lie. You thought we was dropping f***ing double combinations? No, I'm just not.
That's a period, it's a period. What the f is this shit? You fuck with it? And you know the thing, bro? Ring season? You did shit. Oh, facts. I gotta show you the gas cap, bro. Hold up. Yo, someone get a flashlight over here for me, please.
Oh wow.
See the sparkles in that bit, bro. I'm not gonna lie, this is on accident, bro. The wrong color came, but it's close to the color I ordered. So look, this is the color I ordered for the whole car, but this is the color that came. And we didn't realize until we put this on, and this was the right color. But this color on accident, bro, I'm not gonna lie, this shit came out even more fire, and it flows with the other color.
Chill out, Marcus.
Hell yeah, what the f? This iconic.
Literally Mark saying goodbye to 2021.
Crazy, bro. Back to court, gone.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned, though, that. Shit. Damn, bro. Black and white going was tough, though.
Your accident fix, we do it. You need your car sold, we do it. You need your life fix, bro, you do it. We do everything. You need your girl took, bro, we do it.
Yeah.
You want us to pun your thing at old we do it. Hey, bro, if you in need for some relaxing time, bro, I got you, bro. Just hit my line. Oh my god. Yo, Terrell.
I'm home right now. I just got home. I'm masked up. I'm about to record my parents' reaction to the car, though. They ain't never seen it before.
Show off your noisy pork. How are you? Too pretty for me. Oh boy, so far.
What do you think, Lane? Do I get the right?
It's too low. Too low. It's nice. I know, so I could fix it up for you.
You see the gun, it'd be a low rider.
Watch me step inside and make it active. I'm addicted to flashing and fashion.
I'll kill somebody. I gotta stop saying that shit around people.
kill somebody?
Yeah.
I believe you though.
Some people that believe that shit. I gotta stop that shit.
I believe it. I know some people that would kill for me too.
Come on, this is my second workout for the day. You know what? I